Hi guys! Welcome to my channel. Good morning. It's a lovely day. Today is Sunday. This morning, I will cook scrambled egg. This is my favorite. Every morning is scrambled egg, and I will cook dilis, small fish, dry fish. I will fry this. And I have a hot pandesal. You know what is hot pandesal? Just like this. It's very hot. So good. Nobody but you. Nobody but you. Let's put some salt. Lagyan natin ng asin. Happy lang ako because today is Sunday. Okay. This is really tastes good. This is my favorite dry fish. So this is my, what do you call that? Ito yung partner ko sa fried rice. Sus, ginoo ko dahil kahirap talaga mag-English. It's really hard to speak English. Ayan. Sus, kalamian ni oy. Sarap nito, sarap. Sausaw mo sa suka. Tapos may kamatis ka. Wow. Hello, good morning. This is my breakfast. Ito yung aking pandesal, hot pandesal, scrambled egg. Ayan. At saka ito naman ang aking fried dilis. Ayan, so crunchy. Sarap. Yummy. Guys, good morning. Thanks for watching, guys. Please support my channel.